Energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners in Kendall, where the warm, humid climate can lead to high energy bills, especially during the summer months. While windows often get the spotlight in energy-saving upgrades, doors play an equally crucial role in maintaining a comfortable and efficient home. Replacing old, inefficient doors with modern, energy-efficient models can significantly reduce energy waste, improve indoor comfort, and enhance your home's overall performance. Here's how door replacement can transform the energy efficiency of Kendall homes. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. Old or poorly installed doors often have gaps or cracks that allow air to leak in and out of your home. In Kendall's climate, this means your cool, conditioned air escapes, while hot, humid air seeps in, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and driving up energy costs. Solution: new doors are designed with tighter seals and advanced weather stripping to minimize air leaks. Materials like fiberglass and steel, combined with high-quality seals, ensure a snug fit, preventing drafts and maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. Improved insulation. Doors made from older materials or those with hollow cores lack the insulation needed to keep your home comfortable. This poor thermal barrier allows heat to transfer easily, making it harder to maintain your desired indoor temperature. Solution: modern energy-efficient doors are built with insulating cores made from materials like polyurethane or foam. These cores provide excellent thermal resistance, reducing heat transfer and keeping your home cooler during Kendall's hot months and warmer on the rare cool days. Enhanced energy-efficient glass options. Many exterior doors, such as patio doors, feature glass panels that can be a major source of energy loss if they're outdated. Single-pane glass offers minimal insulation and can let heat pass through easily. Solution: replacing doors with double or triple glazed glass panels significantly improves insulation. Low emissivity glass coatings further enhance energy efficiency by reflecting heat while allowing natural light to enter. For added insulation, consider doors with argon or krypton gas fills between the glass panes. Reduced solar heat gain. In Kendall's sunny climate often results in solar heat gain, heat that enters your home through doors and windows, increasing the indoor temperature. This is particularly problematic for doors that face south or west, which are exposed to the most sunlight. Solution: modern doors with low E glass or reflective coatings minimize solar heat gain while still allowing natural light to brighten your home. Additionally, choosing doors with built-in blinds or shades can provide an extra layer of protection against the sun's heat. Better materials for Kendall's climate. Kendall's humid environment and occasional heavy rainfall can take a toll on traditional wood doors, causing them to warp, swell, or rot over time. These issues not only affect the door's appearance but also compromise its energy efficiency. Solution: energy-efficient doors made from materials like fiberglass, steel, or composite are resistant to moisture, warping, and weather-related damage. These durable materials maintain their structural integrity over time, ensuring consistent energy performance. Lower HVAC strain and energy bills. When doors let in hot air or allow cool air to escape, your HVAC system has to work overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This not only increases energy consumption but also shortens the lifespan of your HVAC system. Solution: energy-efficient doors help stabilize indoor temperatures, reducing the workload on your heating and cooling systems. This results in lower energy bills and extends the life of your HVAC equipment, saving you money in the long run. A greener, more sustainable home. Energy-efficient doors aren't just good for your wallet, they're also better for the environment. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you're helping to lower your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Solution: many manufacturers offer doors made with eco-friendly materials and processes. Choosing these options aligns your home improvement efforts with environmentally responsible practices. Enhanced curb appeal and property value. While energy efficiency is a practical benefit, replacing your doors also enhances your home's aesthetics and value. A modern, well-insulated door not only performs better but also adds to your home's curb appeal, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Solution: choose doors that match your home's style while offering the best energy-saving features. From sleek, contemporary designs to classic, traditional options, energy-efficient doors come in a variety of styles to suit any home in Kendall. Professional installation for optimal results. Even the best energy-efficient door won't perform as intended if it's not installed correctly. Poor installation can lead to air leaks, improper alignment, and reduced insulation performance. Solution: work with professional door installers who understand Kendall's unique climate and ensure your new door is properly fitted and sealed. Professional installation maximizes the energy-saving potential of your investment and guarantees long-term performance. Final thoughts. Replacing your doors is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and sustainability. For Kendall homeowners, where the warm and humid climate creates unique challenges, energy-efficient doors offer a smart solution to reducing energy waste, lowering bills, and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. By choosing high-quality materials, advanced glass options, and professional installation, you can enjoy a more efficient and stylish home that stands up to Kendall's climate. Whether you're replacing a single entry door or upgrading all your exterior doors, the benefits of energy efficiency and enhanced comfort make it a worthwhile investment for any homeowner.